Enabling or disabling keyboard auto replace on the Galaxy S24 allows you to control whether your keyboard automatically corrects words as you type, helping to improve typing accuracy based on your preference. It's easy to do so. Let's jump right in. First, tap on the home button to return to your home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top and tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down and select General Management. Next, go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Scroll down and tap on Auto Replace. Now, you'll see a list of languages if you've enabled a few. Tap on the language where you'd like to enable or disable Auto Replace. Once this is set, as you type, suggested words will appear. You may tap on the suggested word to insert it. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted Auto Replace settings on your Samsung keyboard. Finally, tap on the home button to return to the home screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips.